Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Rainwater for plants is like drinking water for humans, and that is essential for health, and plants seem to perk up and look happier. But sometimes the rainwater and waterlogging is dangerous for plants. So today I will tell you how we can save our plants from heavy rain and waterlogging. First thing you would do is that after rain you must remove all the waterlogging by just tilting the pot. Next step is to remove all mulching that you have given in summer. Sometimes mulching helps to protect soil erosion, but that can cause fungus to your plant. So what my mom thinks is that you should remove the mulching in the rainy season, as that will be the best. From last 5 to 6 days it has been raining at night. So some plants are in poor condition due to root rot. So look how my mom saves these plants and also saves the plants that are in poor condition due to root rot. First thing that my mom did is remove all the soil from the pot. Then she checked the drainage hole. There is a big enough sufficient drainage hole. So my mom has put some coarse granules. She put it in the bottom of the pot. It prevents waterlogging of the pot. After this, she filled up it with soil. In the other hand, all the leaves that she collected, she put them in a bioenzyme solution. Then she washed it thoroughly. Now keep on watching what my mom is doing. She is cutting all the damaged portion of the leaf. This year the climate is so different from other years. Actually, Delhi is a semi-desert area, so this kind of rainfall is never seen. Now just simply put it in the soil like this. It will grow its root after a few days. Also keep in mind, if the soil is not dry, don't give water to this plant, and also keep it in a shaded area. My mom hopes that this will be successful after a few days. As you can see, these 4 rose plants are also in a very poor condition due to the rain. Already, one rose plant has died. So my mom checked the drainage hole at first. We found out that the drainage hole was okay, so the problem was the soil. So we decided to change the soil. My mom has done it the same way. First some coarse granule, then some soil on the top. Then just plant the plant. Next, just cut all the damaged leaves. After cutting the leaves, My mom has sprayed bioenzyme all over the plant and soil. It prevents the fungal infection of the plant. That's how she repotted the other plants as well. Some plants needed pruning. So my mom has dipped some aloe vera gel on the top where it had to be pruned. So if possible, keep your plants in a shaded area where there is no such rain. And follow these tips so your plants will be saved. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.